What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance, and I finally decided these R&G case protectors, I gotta go. I gotta do it. I gotta get rid of these things. I'm sorry, R&G. You make a fine product, but it's just not for me. The looks, I can't do it. Gotta go. They look like my motorcycle sprouted some weird growth. They look like Eugene Levy's eyebrows. But I digress. Today we're going to install the Triumph OEM case protectors that really should belong on this motorcycle. They just look better in my opinion. For this you'll need a 4mm Allen for the R&G bolts. You'll need this 5mm Allen for the new bolts going in. And you'll need this 8mm socket to take out any remaining bolts around your case. Throw me a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Peace.